Dear friends, welcome to my new episode, and in it, I am going to teach you a strategy that can make you a lot of money using new and old Raider. This is a very easy study with the help of which you can grow your small account very easily. Now guys, see how much my small account is in profit with big amount just by using this strategy. I did it. If you also want to make money from the market, make your own using this strategy. For more information, join my Telegram channel Daily New Update and get chance to learn all my strategies. So join my Telegram channel. At the end of the video, I will share with you the settings of the indicators that I have used within the strategy. Stay tuned till the end. To use this indicator, first of all, people need to know the trend of the market. When you are able to understand the trend of the market, this strategy will generate signals for you that will be very powerful, and nobody can stop your account from grouping. So try to understand this greater slowly and deeply, then you can benefit from it. You guys can use this indicator to set your buy and sell signals and make profit.